Now we do bring in Chief Meteorologist Ted King. And Ted?
Boy, I'll tell you, hoping for the best, hoping nobody's caught in that, man.
Because it's been, winter has come full swing right now in this February, and it's not surprising to see something like that happen.
Right, it's just been snowing up in the mountains in the northwest part of our state, up near the Continental Divide, and areas in the west have just been getting so much snow this year. We're going to start hearing more and more about the avalanches, I'm afraid. But anyway, it looks like the snow coming to an end right here in central Montana. First, let's take a look outside, and it's stopped right here in the Great Falls area. Actually, a little bit of clearing going on out there. And as the skies clear on out later tonight, it's going to be some fog across the region, along with some really, really cold temperatures. But anyway, good evening, everyone. So glad to have you with us. And I'll start you out. If you have to drive over the divide tonight, well, Rogers Pass, looking passable, but McDonald Pass right now looking like the better. These shots were just taken a little while ago. A little snowpack there on McDonald Pass, but again, still passable. Winter weather advisory till 5 a.m. However, after that expires, I suspect another one will be issued for the same region for later tomorrow on into early Friday. The situation remaining the same in the atmosphere. And here's the snow, perhaps a bit more coverage than depicted here by Big Sky Viper radar. Sometimes the radar doesn't pick it all up, but the general line has shifted down to the south. Some areas still seeing the snow. Some of the higher terrain south of Great Falls could see another 3 inches of snow before all is said and done this evening. Still some happening around Glasgow, so no doubt Highway 2, Malta over to Glasgow. Some slipping and sliding there. And I know we've been saying it for about the last 2 weeks every night, but if you have to travel, just please be careful out there because the roads are treacherous. Other than that, here's that particular line of snow again. This will be shifting southward, and skies will clear later tonight. In fact, early in the day, we're going to see some sunshine tomorrow, but these temps, ouch, right now. Goose egg right here in Great Falls. Look at Bozeman, a balmy 39, while it's 22 in Helena. Bitter cold along the high line. That will not relent the way it looks right now. Light winds again, so that lends itself well to the formation of fog. So again, some of that could be locally dense tomorrow. But look at that wind, the wind chill, ouch. Not as bad as it has been, but still not quite picnic weather here. Bitter cold out there. Again, hypothermia and frostbite set in quickly with these temperatures, so please be careful out there. There are your highs. Once again, bitter cold stuff for much of the north central part of our state. I'll show you this. Much of the west watches and warnings for snow over the next few days, and that is because the song remains the same here. Look at all this moisture just being trucked in off the Pacific. The Sierra Nevada mountains have had phenomenal amounts of snow, and they keep on getting it there. Plus this right here. See this? It kind of looks like a smile right here. See this? Right there. That's a trough. That's a bunch of energy. You can see the energy diving right here. This shifts south and eastward. Will take up residence over the western part of the United States for the next few, actually starting late tomorrow and right on through the weekend the way it looks right now. So today we have a little ripple moving past that's causing the snow. You couple that with the upslope and we're getting the snow. And by late tomorrow, another trough moves on into the area. The upslope flow is in place, and so will and more snow will be in place as well. This snow gets out of here later on tonight. Clearing tomorrow morning. Again, going to be some locally dense fog, but as that next trough approaches, more snow late tomorrow night, and on into Friday. And again, with that trough parked over the region for the next several days, looking like some snow will be the story. Maybe getting above 10 degrees here in Great Falls tomorrow. Mid-20s on Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, deep freeze. And, each day with that trough in place and also an upslope flow, there's a pretty good chance for at least some snow those days. And Helena, you were actually up near 40 yesterday, and we could be up near 35 on Friday. I think we'd be out dancing in the streets if we saw
a little action.
Yeah, might want to head to Helena for 35 degrees. But again, you got to let it's our job, to let people know. Please, it's very dangerous out there driving, and the frostbite and hypothermia set in quickly. So just please be careful.
Safety first. All right, thanks, Ted. Moving on, those